this going forward will speak even louder. When we come together, we can make a big difference. I hope you will join me at City Hall on Wednesday when we have the visual at City Hall at sundown. And we are encouraging everyone to come to City Hall, not just people from the LGBT community, but people from across the city.